My Hoover Power Dash carpet cleaner is making a noise as if it is losing power about 2 minutes after turning on, then puts off a smell as if it is burning up. Please me.
I'll do all I can to help. Can you tell me more about what's going on?
Losing power sound, then smells like it's burning.
Is there anything else the expert should be aware of?
No, it's not a month old.
Hi, my name is Contractor, professional kitchen/bath designer and teacher. I want to help you find a solution today. Hello, you need to stop using your Hoover immediately because it could be a fire hazard. Hello, sounds like you have a frustrating issue with a new product. All products carry a 1-year warranty, which means you can return the product anytime within the year, even if it's been used. This is something to remember about all new products that you purchase. When we as consumers purchase items at full retail price, we expect products to work as advertised on the box. This is 100% true, they should. However, what do you do when the product does not live up to what it promises? When it does not work quite right, some people think it becomes their problem to solve, and they spend a lot of time, energy, and money trying to make the product perform like it is supposed to. However, you can't make lemonade with a lemon product, so this effort usually ends in disappointment. If you will look in your information somewhere, the manufacturer offers consumers a 1 or 2 year warranty. This means that at any time within the warranty period, you can return the product and get your money back. You can then buy another product that works perfectly or try another brand. A poor performing product is not your responsibility to fix. A defective product should be returned to the store from where it was purchased immediately. A defective product is the manufacturer's problem, not yours. Tell the clerk the product is defective, and you want to exchange it for another one. Take along your receipt and box if you have it. Even if you used it, you still have 1 year to return the product. You needed to use it to know it was defective. You need to know you don't have to be stuck with a defective product and there is something you can do about it, not make it your responsibility to fix it, just simply return it and get a new one that works like it is supposed to. I hope this helps. Thank you for contacting us here at Just Answer to help you with your everyday questions. Susan Latta.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.